What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today I'm going to be installing the Spiker Engineering hood strut kit on my 2021 Toyota Tacoma. The stock Tacoma doesn't come with hood struts, and the hood is actually quite heavy, and if your truck is lifted, it's a little bit of work to lift the hood high enough to get the hood prop installed in the right location. This is the kit I'm installing today by Spiker Engineering. Comes with 2 struts, 2 brackets that go into the engine bay, 2 brackets that go to the hood, extra rivet and a drill bit stopper, and some detailed instructions printed on nice paper in full color. This kit allows your hood to lift up to 8 inches above the hood prop. With this bar holding my hood in place, I measured this prop to my hood, and it's about an extra 3 inches. I'm not going to go up to 8 inches because 8 inches is too high. I won't be able to reach the hood, and it'll also probably hit my garage door. One thing about going too high is if you have accessories like ditch lights or something hanging on the side of the hood, going up too high could smash your windshield or hit other parts. And right now I think I'm happy with an additional 3 inches. We're going to move the driver's side inner trim right here, this plastic piece. Pop off this plastic rivet. Then we're going to pull the trim towards the engine bay. We're going to put a piece of tape on the inner V right here. There's 2 of them, but put it on the one closest to the seam seal right here. Roughly mark the center of that V, and put the L bracket that came with the kit, line it up flush, and mark out where we're going to put the rivets. So we're going to use the 2 outer holes, we're not going to use the middle hole. I'm using the center punch, and this is where I'm going to drill. I have my 3/16 drill bit, and we're going to have to use the drill stopper that came with the kit, but we have to mark it 3/8 shorter than the drill bit. My drill is set up. I have my safety goggles. The rivet doesn't quite fit yet, and in the instructions they recommend moving the drill bit around a little bit just to create a little bit more room. Now it fits both holes. Clean this area up, put some touch-up paint. I'm using some generic black touch-up paint just to protect the raw metal. No one's going to see it, so it doesn't matter what color you use. Now we're going to solder the bottom L bracket. Line up the holes. Drop in the rivet. Let me use my rivet gun right here. Make sure you push down. Squeeze it. Squeeze it a couple times. I'm going to tighten down this rivet. Both rivets are down. Now we have to really squeeze so the rivet pulls up and breaks off. There it is for one of them. A lot of work, but it broke off. This bracket is tightened and installed. Now we just have to do the same for the other side. Passenger side done. Now we're going to get ready to install the struts. According to the instructions, we're going to have to cycle the strut a little bit. So they basically want us to push it down a couple of times. Now we're going to install the rod end of the strut to that bracket we installed. Just pop it in. Do the same for the passenger side. Now we just have to check for clearance. Plenty of room with the OEM airbox. On the driver's side, looks like it clears okay. We saw the trim removed on both sides. Line up these slots with these plastic clips. Push it towards the outside. Reinstall this clip. Reinstall the trim on the passenger side. Push it towards the outside. Now we're going to grab the hood bracket and mark up where we're going to drill. Pop this on the driver's side. The hood bracket should lay flat and flush to the inner corner. Like that. So I'm going to mark it up, and drill it up, and rivet it. So I'm ready to drill the 2 holes I marked out. Be careful when you're drilling because you don't want to pierce through the hood. And I have a rag here to catch the metal shavings. Go at an angle. You're not going up through the hood, you're going towards the outside. Double check that the rivet fits. Now let's put touch up and do the same for the other side. Now it's time to mount the bracket to the hood. But before we do that, let's remove it from the strut. Use a small screwdriver to squeeze in between this clip, and this bracket should pop out. Now install the hood bracket to the hood, the rivets. This side is done. Now I have to do the same for the other side. Passenger side done. I just have to pop this on. Pop the driver's side on. I'm going to remove this. Let's give it a test. Pull it down slowly. Make sure it clears everything on the driver's side. Make sure it clears everything on the passenger side. Passenger side. Driver's side. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Spiker Engineering hood strut kit installed. Now I can open up my hood with one hand. Just move the lever, push up on the hood a little bit, and the whole thing goes up. I could have set this hood opening from 0 to 8 inches higher. I chose 3 inches, which is a good height for me. But if I wanted to go even higher, all I have to do is re-drill some holes lower and move this bracket and rivet it down there. So now the hood can pop up higher. I can still reach the hood easily. And if I want to prevent it from going up too high, all you have to do is use the hood prop to actually hold the hood from opening up higher. So happy with the results. Pretty simple install. Driver's side right there. It clears the OEM airbox. Clears the OEM battery compartment. So I should have did this a long time ago, but it's better late than never. Now to close the hood, do that, push down, hood is closed, reopen the hood, move the lever with one hand, push up slightly, and the whole thing goes up. Definitely love this mod. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.